Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you viral iPhone Spatial Wallpaper tutorial on your iPhone. So I'm provide how can easily set up. So simply at first open your settings, open your general, go to your software update. So whatever, you can use any iPhone model, but must be update your iOS 26. I'm already update my iOS 26. Okay, let's go. Simply at first select this image. So I'm provide this image link in my description box. Just check out and at first download. Okay, so look here, showing it to this option. When I'm make sure to turn on, now it's showing it to 3D effect. Okay, click on to share option, scroll down, and as you can see, showing it to use as wallpaper. Just press on. When you apply this method, some are not working properly, so follow my word process. So okay, I'm increase or decrease size, clock size, and press on this option. At first need to enable this. Okay, and I'm increase clock size and press on 3 dot, must be select depth effect. Okay, and adjust. Okay, when you select depth effect, then it's adjust. Press on add and just set up, and just set up this. So that's it.